Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add users on Salesforce. So first we're going to go to our browser, then log into our Salesforce account. Then next we're going to click on settings on the top right corner and click on setup. Then it's going to take us to the setup page. So again, under quick find, we're going to click on users. Then we're going to click on it. Then as you can see, these are the list of users. Then next we're going to click on new user. So we're going to insert their general information, everything about them. The red ones indicate those are necessary and not optional. We're going to insert the role, user license, as well as profile as well. Then next, we're going to insert the mailing address, the single sign-in information, as well as the location settings, and also the approver settings. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So this is how you add a user. You guys could do this step again and again. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.